Well, it's that time of year again. I'm actually out in my garage. I'm getting ready to do some work on a car. Um, but I noticed that I'm getting a lot of views on uh, the Husky Toolbox, which is pretty typical for this time of year with the Black Friday specials and stuff. So I did take and get a chance to go to Home Depot and check out this same toolbox, which they had on the floor. It does cost more money now, and so does everything else. We know what kind of a world we're living in now, and they did have a bunch of them in stock. So hopefully they go on sale. But I'm gonna insert that footage right now. Take a look at that, and then I didn't see any changes there, but we'll look at this toolbox in comparison to that one. So here you go. Check that out. Okay, so that's what this toolbox looks like brand new, and that's what they have in the store right now. The only real changes I noticed was the price, like I was saying. Um, they're all pretty much the same. They have the bars on both sides. I actually have this one running over, and it's plugged in here, and then I plug that one in over here, and that's what I use. I'll plug my, like I said, I have a phone charger here. I have my chargers are plugged in for my. Why isn't this lighting up? There we go. There we go. I bumped this because I was cleaning. I was trying to get some stuff out of the way. I did have a bunch of stuff here. I did clean that off. I did want to make this accessibly so you could see it. Everything's pretty much the same. You know, they keep all the locks. Like I said, I didn't clean anything up. I just want to show how this thing is held up at its 2-year review time. I got a couple more chips here, which seems to be, you know, kind of easy if you know, it's not, yeah. So you can see if you hit it, you can catch it. A lot of this is either tools dragging over or, you know, something's like this, and you end up shutting it with something not in the whole way. I'll lay stuff up here, and I'll kind of work on it, whether I'm opening up a box of car parts or something that got delivered. I end up using that because I always have problems with table space. And then I end up with some of these chips on these edges. You can see that's what that one's from. But everything so far, I mean, look at that. That is, you got to say, that's a lot of weight right there. But works just fine. I think I did go over it. These pieces here on the edge, some of them, like this one's pretty tight. The one over here, like, some seem to come out a little easier than others. This is a drawer I use a lot with the hammers. That one still seems fine. I mean, you know, you can see those are foot marks from having this one open and just being like shutting it. So I mean, that stuff seems to work out all right. The handle, like I said, I don't move this around too much. There's no real reason to pick this up because these things are extremely heavy. Check this side out. Everything's good. Like I said, it's dirty. I work on my own cars, pretty much. I put some stuff together for myself, you know, but I'm not in a garage type scenario, so I don't know how this would hold up. Like I said, they are nice. It's tight there and it pulls itself shut. once you get past that point. I mean, like I said, these, I would say this is right here, my socket drawer is one of my most used drawers. And I haven't lubed none of this stuff. So, I mean, everything is, it's just how you see it, okay? What I was trying to get at is I do my own stuff. I'm not a garage, so I'm my personal mechanic. I have a couple cars, and then I work on stuff as a hobby, putting stuff together. So if you see some of the other videos, that's why. But this is a decent toolbox, even still for the money now. I will post both of the links to unboxing and my review of this toolbox, along with putting this one in the end of the second video, so that link is there. They didn't change anything in 2 years on this toolbox that I noticed, other than the stickers. If you look at the stickers that were on it, they were a different color. Some had it. The ones that I was looking at in Home Depot were almost as dusty as this. So would I recommend the toolbox? Yes, I would recommend this toolbox. It works really well. I would like to upgrade to the one that they do offer. It has the smaller drawers on both sides, just to give me a little bit more separation. Like I said, as you can tell, I kind of just, I got all these Milwaukee tools in here. I just kind of, been, adding and adding and adding. Normally I have stuff a lot organized than this. I only kind of keep the Craftsman stuff, but I kind of got to the point where it was like, this is this, I'm putting it in the toolbox. That's why we have such this mess. I'd really like to know how much weight I got in this drawer, because we got vice grips and all kinds of pliers. So I mean, this stuff started out being single when I put these in here, and being all nothing but Craftsman stuff. This one here doesn't get used too much. We have, pretty much like cases of stuff in here. I have larger 3/4 drive. This is a heavy drawer. I can tell that just moving it. Some specialty stuff. Like I said, the hammer drawer. I wouldn't say that they're getting too weak. Some of them do pull in pretty good. I don't know if there's an adjustment for that one. Like that one still closes good. You can tell some of these other ones are starting to get a little weak, but I think that's because of the weight, as I'd already stated before, as I'm running on here. Good toolbox, good Black Friday buy, good Home Depot toolbox. I would almost call this one their standard one. I don't know if there's any video of the other one that was sitting next to the toolbox in there, because I kind of didn't really want to draw too much attention. I kind of just did a walk around so I could see what it looked like and go back and review it. But with that being said, man, great toolbox, holds up really good. If it's something you use, I mean, let me know, okay? Let me know what your thoughts are. And with that, we'll see us.